Greetings, wonderful audience. Amarjit here from our PTE classes. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So do subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. And thank you so much for subscribing my channel who already subscribed to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share some most repeated Retell lecture. So if you are planning your exam in November 2024 and in the December also, so you can just go through these most repeated Retell lecture, because you all know there is some changes in the content part of the Retell lecture. So just focus on your content part also, because content is contributing in the listening section also, and the pronunciation and fluency will contribute in the speaking section of PTE. So just go through these most repeated Retell lecture. In the next videos I will share the updated template of the Retell lecture so that you can get good score in the content part also. Just try to note down the phrases and avoid the keywords to get good score in Retell lecture. So if you have any queries, any suggestions, then you can write in the comment box. And if you want to discuss something with me, then you can call me on my contact number. So my contact number is given on the screen as well as in the description box. So write your suggestions and queries in the comment box and just take a screenshot of these most repeated Retell lectures.